Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here on my channel today. Today I'm going to be painting some of the holly from my garden in my calendar of firsts. Both the holly tree and the raspberries in my garden are really prolific at the moment. They're covered in berries. So I thought it'd be fun to sketch the holly. The berries at the very top of the tree are really red, that beautiful deep rich hollyberry red. But at the bottom of the tree they're varying red, oranges, greens. They're really beautiful. So I'm starting off with cadmium yellow light to work on the leaves, and then I'm going to take ultramarine to create the green. And I just want to keep that yellow down the centre. And I'm going to take some indigo to really darken up those leaves. Holly leaves are so beautifully glossy, aren't they? So beautifully dark and glossy. So I just want to blend that out. There we are. And then same here. I'm going to be doing pretty much the same for all the leaves. So back in with the ultramarine. And the indigo at the outer edges, and then just blend it in. And I want to just blend over that centre there as well now. I've got this beautiful big leaf here now. The leaves here are beginning to turn, so we're starting to get those beautiful autumn colours in the landscape. Which is so exciting at this time of year. So beautiful. We've had quite a few people posting their journal pages this week in the Charlotte Mason Nature Journaling group on Facebook, sharing their leaf sketches and leaf prints as well, leaf rubbings. So that's really lovely to see. So I'm just working with the same 3 colours: cadmium yellow light as the base, ultramarine in the green shade over the top, and then indigo as my darker shade. And now this leaf here has dried off a little. I just want to blend that. Just absorb too much. Sorry, just absorb the excess of the colour. And then the same on this last leaf here. And then in with the indigo. There. So just in again with a little water, and it's taking off the excess. And I just want to go back here and just add in a little bit more of the cadmium yellow. Just make that leaf a little bit richer. And then a bit more of the indigo, dropping the colour in where it needs to be. As the colours are drying away, they very much lighten. So I just want to make sure I'm happy with the amount of colour, the saturation. Of the colours. So I just want to leave those for a few moments to dry off slightly, and I'll work on the stalk and the berries. So I'm going to take some, I have red paint on the side of my hand. I've got it onto my paper. So I just want to work on the stalk. And this is raw umber. And the stalk has a brownish hue, but it's definitely green tinged. So I'll just run along with cadmium yellow light. And into that cobalt blue. And I just want to go back through here, softening any edges. I think this one just needs darkening up a touch. And then we can work on the stalks and the berries. I think looking at the berries, I'm going to lay a foundation base of quinacridone gold and the same for the stalks. And then into those berries. going to drop this is cadmium red. And I have a little bit of runaway cadmium where the wet paint has hit wet paint, but that's okay. So I'm going to be dropping some red into there later on anyway. Okay. And while the berries are drying off, I'll just work in a little cobalt into the stalks. There's the cobalt blue. I'm just dropping in a little Windsor orange there into those berries. And then I want this berry here to be more holly red. So just painting with cadmium red here. I'll just leave those for a moment. Now this unpainted berry is quite green. Well, slightly green. So I've worked with quinacridone gold and then a little cobalt blue, but that's too green. That's more like the colour of the leaves. That's better. Just a bit more quinacridone gold into that. And then it has a touch of the orange here. I'll just work into that as well. And then for the very red berries, I want to use a little bit of quinacridone, magenta, just to really bring out the red. Let's just drop that in there. There we are. I've just got a little bit of cobalt there. and the stalks. Or umber, just to bring a bit more of the brown back in. And I just want these two berries here to be, it's actually 3 berries, but you can't see that very clearly. I just want them to be a little richer in their colour, so I'm just going to try a little bit of Windsor orange. There, I think that will do. And I'm just going to add a few little highlights with the white gel pen. And onto the berries also, to emphasise their nice plump shapes. It's a very handy tool, I find, for watercolour. If you're an expert at watercolour, then you would need something like this. You can use the whites of the paper, but I find it really handy. So thank you again for joining me today. Pop along to the blog and I will list all the colours and products that I've used in this painting. And so that's www.raisinglittleshoots.com. Thank you again so much for watching, and I hope to paint along with you again soon. Bye for now.